Hi everybody, Katie Eccles here from Pride Beauty to talk to you about the 24 karat gold wrinkle repair cream. Now this amazing cream is like a butter-like texture. It's quite unusual in that sense in that it looks and feels quite different when it's in the jar and then when it's applied to the skin. With 24 karat gold to add luminosity, Syncol, which is a clinically proven ingredient to not only change the aspect of your wrinkles but also help boost your body to produce more collagen. We've got Pry extract in there, and then we've got sunflower seed extract as well, oil, which is acting as an antioxidant. Now this is a brand new jar, and you're going to see here when I open the lid that it's really quite a firm texture, almost springy, bouncy in its look and feel. Now that's really going to melt onto the skin. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you the jar I've been using for a while, so you can see there, again, it's not changed its texture, it's not changed its style. So I take a small amount, and you'll see when I then apply it to the back of my hand, it literally just melts onto the skin. So don't be afraid when you see that very unusual texture. As you can see here, it melts onto the skin, super hydrating with hyaluronic acid in there that's really going to nourish your skin. As I said, that 24 karat gold to add luminosity, and Syncol, really important ingredient that's going to change and the look and feel and aspect of your wrinkles. So 24 karat gold wrinkle repair cream for day. Butter-like texture. Smooth it on and enjoy the texture on your skin as your skin drinks it in.